Hi. I get an E777 error code on my newly installed Navien combi NCB 180.
How old is your Navien unit?
A couple of months old but has never been used.
How long has this been going on with your Navien unit? What have you tried so far?
I've only tried resetting the unit. Nothing else.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hi and welcome to Just Answer. My name is to assist you today. Please note, if you saw a pop-up call request, it's not from me. That is automatic system from site. Just ignore if you don't want to get phone support and accept if you want. I am not requesting any phone call. Are you ready? Initially, I want you to check the LWCO wiring connection. Is it properly installed and connected?
It's not connected at all. There are 4 wires. 2 yellow, 1 red and 1 white.
That is the problem. The machine detected open connection for the LWCO. Also, E777 sometimes cause of water system is not appropriate.
Those wires are coming from here.
Please check this wiring diagram https://www.manual/slib.com/manual/7907669/Navien-ncb180.html. Page equals 65 #manual. Let me know the result.
It doesn't say which word goes where.
Check the CN24 LWCO if it is jumpered. That wire base on the diagram is connected to CN16. That is main gas valve, right? Hi, I'm just following up to see how everything is going. If you still have questions, please do not hesitate to ask. Thank you and have a nice day.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.